for Bihar. We have a big breaking news coming in after Prashant Kishore refused to contest the upcoming polls. He said he's going to be focusing on the development of the party. He will not be fighting the poll. The BJP has upped the ante against Prashant Kishore. He has said, and the BJP basically says that the party, which is Prashant Kishore's party, has minimal electoral impact and are likely to lose their deposits. That's the charge coming in from the BJP if they end up contesting. BJP goes on to say that if Jan Sujal Chief knows the ground reality, and that is why he has chosen to not fight the upcoming poll. So there is a big slugfest which has emerged over Prashant Kishore's decision to opt out of the Bihar poll fight. Saket, my colleague, is live with us. Saket, no poll plunge for Prashant Kishore in the upcoming battle for Bihar, but certainly that has turned into a massive slugfest. BJP sees it as a sign of defeat. Take us through the war of words which is emanating over the same.
देखिए, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि प्रशांत किशोर ने पहले कहा था कि जो राघोपुर सीट है जहां से तेजस्वी यादव चुनाव लड़ते हैं, वहां से अगर जनता कहती है तो मैं वहां से चुनाव लड़ सकता हूं, ये बात उन्होंने कही थी। और उसके बाद कई बार उनसे सवाल पूछा गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि जब जनता वहां की तय करेगी तो मैं बताऊंगा कि वहां से चुनाव लड़ूंगा। तो एक तरह से माहौल बनाने की कोशिश जरूर प्रशांत किशोर की तरफ से की गई कि वो चुनाव प्रचार के दौरान जब पहली बार उन्होंने विधानसभा चुनाव के प्रचार की तैयारी शुरू की तो वो भी उन्होंने राघोपुर से की। उसके बाद ये चर्चा तेज हो गई थी उनके वहां से चुनाव लड़ने की, लेकिन अब उन्होंने साफ कर दिया कि विधानसभा का चुनाव वो लड़ेंगे ही नहीं। यानी वो जो शुरू से बैक में रहे हैं, हर पार्टी के लिए रणनीति बनाते रहे हैं, वही कोशिश एक बार फिर उनकी यहाँ भी दिखेगी। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अगर प्रशांत किशोर मैदान में उतरते तो वो दूसरा बात होता, क्योंकि विपक्ष की तमाम पार्टियों ने सवाल उठाना शुरू कर दिया है कि प्रशांत किशोर डर रहे हैं, इस वजह से वो चुनाव प्रचार में अपना खुद का चुनाव वो नहीं लड़ रहे हैं। लेकिन अब देखना होगा आगे किस तरह से प्रशांत किशोर की पार्टी का परफॉर्मेंस बिहार में रहता है।
All right. So obviously Prashant Kishore saying that he is not going to be fighting the polls, and as we were telling you, the BJP has upped the ante against Prashant Kishore. They have said that the party has a minimal electoral impact, and BJP is seeing it as a sign of defeat, as we were telling you earlier. The latest which is coming in at the moment is a post by the BJP that's take our viewers to what the BJP has had to say. Obviously, my colleague Saket was taking us through the war of words, the political slugfest which has now broken out over the same. Let's take a look at what the BJP is saying. As we were telling you earlier, viewers, BJP is seeing it as a sign of defeat. Viewers, let's take a look at what the BJP has had to say. Now, BJP is using this to attack Prashant Kishore, his party, in the run-up to the Bihar electoral contest. This is Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP who says Prashant Kishore knows that his party has negligible electoral impact on ground when it comes to Bihar. Prashant Kishore refuses to contest as a candidate because he knows he's going to lose his deposit if he does so. Jan Sujal, RJD, Congress, they know the ground reality. People of Bihar are with the NDA. People of Bihar are with the Prime Minister and also the Chief Minister. So that is the attack coming in from the side of the BJP. As we were telling you earlier, BJP seeing it, viewers, as a sign of defeat. Saket continues to be live with us, and Saket obviously has more or less told us, and given us a context into what is really happening. Prashant Kishore earlier, viewers, as we were telling you, has decided not to contest these upcoming polls. BJP is using it to attack Jan Sujal party, to attack, in fact, the Mahagathbandhan, also saying that, the opposition knows they're going to lose. The opposition knows that it is the NDA who the people are supporting, and that is why Prashant Kishore has decided not to fight or contest the upcoming polls. Saket, we were discussing the political slugfest which has emanated over Prashant Kishore's decision not to fight the upcoming polls. But has Prashant Kishore given any explanation of sorts as to why he has taken this decision to not fight the upcoming polls? Because end of the day, I'm sure he also knows that the opposition would interpret it as they have as a sign of defeat.
देखिए, प्रशांत किशोर ने शुरू से इस मुद्दे पर कभी भी खुल के बात नहीं की। उन्होंने हर बार कहा कि वो चुनाव लड़ेंगे, जनता चाहेगी, पार्टी चाहेगी तो वो चुनाव लड़ेंगे। उन्होंने ये पूरा जो मसला है वो अपनी पार्टी के नेतृत्व के ऊपर और जनता के ऊपर रख दिया। लेकिन सवाल ये उठता है कि जनसुराज की कमान प्रशांत किशोर के हाथ में है, वो इस पूरे पार्टी को बनाया है उन्होंने, और आखिर जो फैसला लेना है वो पार्टी का लेगा, पार्टी के तरफ से उन्हीं को लेना है। तो फिर जब चुनाव लड़ने की बारी आ रही है तो प्रशांत किशोर क्यों चुनावी मैदान में उतरने से बच रहे हैं? इसके पीछे एक और वजह है कि प्रशांत किशोर चूंकि बिहार के सभी विधानसभा सीटों से उनकी पार्टी कैंडिडेट उतार रही है, तो ऐसे में हर विधानसभा सीट पर उनको प्रचार के लिए जाना होगा, क्योंकि पार्टी में कोई दूसरा उस कद का बहुत बड़ा नेता नहीं है प्रशांत किशोर के कद का। तो ऐसे में हर जगह उनको अपना जो फेस है उसको दिखाना होगा, वहां जाना होगा, उनको जनता से मिलना होगा। ऐसी स्थिति में अगर वो कहीं से चुनाव लड़ते हैं तो फिर वहां वो समय नहीं दे पाएंगे और इसका असर चुनाव के नतीजे पर होगा। तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि प्रशांत किशोर ने चुनाव लड़ने से मना कर दिया है, क्योंकि उनको हर जगह हर कैंडिडेट के लिए प्रचार करना होगा। इस वजह से वो चुनाव के मैदान में खुद नहीं उतर रहे, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं विपक्ष को एक बड़ा मुद्दा मिल गया है।
विपक्ष को मुद्दा मिल गया है। This has turned into a big war of words. BJP, is already using it to attack the Jan Sutral party, and we can expect very similar reactions from the Congress RJD as well. At the moment, Prashant Kishore saying that he is not going to fight the upcoming polls. Finally, he has made at least his intent clear. He's going to be focusing on developing and working on his party. That's the explanation which has come from the side of Prashant Kishore. With that, we'll step into a short commercial break. Viewers, news and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.